Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. And of course, just like our previous videos with other smartwatches, we are going to try one of its main features. So what is that? The health monitoring function. So we have here a heart rate monitoring. We also have a blood pressure monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring. So we are going to check on that, and we will compare it with our Apple Watch. Okay, we have our Apple Watch here, and of course the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So we are going to check whether the health features, the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitoring, is somewhat similar to other wearables. Okay, let's see if it's good or accurate if we compare it with the Apple Watch and the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and check our heart rate. Okay, so the P73 has a real-time heart rate monitoring. So we have here, let's check. It's now checking. We have a maximum heart rate and a minimum heart rate here. So we have 98, 97. Seems like we do have a heart rate, high heart rate right now. Okay. So 101, 100. Okay, let's put this here. Again, let's see if we remove our smartwatch. Okay. Can we still detect a heart rate? Let's check. Oh, as you can see, it will not continue monitoring your heart rate as you are not wearing the smartwatch properly. Okay, let's compare it with the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So where's our heart rate? So measuring. We are on 98. And we have here 81. Okay. The heart rate here is very high on our P73. I don't know why. While here on our Xiaomi Mi Band 8, we only have 78, 77, 79. Okay. So we'll remove this first. And let's check with our Apple Watch. Okay, maybe there's an issue with our Xiaomi, or maybe the problem is with a P73. Where's our heart rate monitor? Okay. So they almost have the same UI here, or animation. So we are on the 90, 89, 79. Still we have a high results here for our P73. Okay, what if we change location? Okay, I guess something's wrong with the heart rate monitor for the P73. Maybe ours is busted. We don't know. Again, let's see. Let's go back to see. Okay, so we still have a high results here. While we have here on our Apple Watch, we only have 81. Okay, I will put this on the center. As you can see, we almost have close result with a Xiaomi Mi Band 8 and our Apple Watch here. Okay, while for our P73 it is a bit off or very far from the result. Again, let's see, do we have some things here? Okay, let's make it clear. If we still have the same result, I guess we don't have a good heart rate monitoring for our P73. As you can see, it's almost the same here, Xiaomi and the Apple Watch, and we still have a very high heart rate here. I guess we don't have a good heart rate monitoring here for our P73. How about your P73? Is your P73 do have a good heart rate monitor? Okay, so as you can see here, you do have a low results now, but still far from the results of our two smartwatches here, or wearables. We have the Mi Band 8 and the Apple Watch 6. We have 80 and we have 90. So what do you think? Miss, a hit or miss? I think it's a miss. Okay, again, let's see. Last one. We'll not check the blood pressure anymore. As you can see here, even our heart rate is not, the result is not okay. I think very high here, while we have the two wearables, they are the same. Okay, let's go for the SpO2. Where's the SpO2 monitor? Blood oxygen. You have the blood oxygen, SpO2, start. It's now measuring. We have 98%. For the other two, let's see. We have 95%. Still don't have a result for our P73. Okay, we have 98%. Okay, again, seems like we have a good blood oxygen monitoring. Let's see. One more time, we'll go back again to the heart rate. Okay, I'm not contented with the results here. We will change location or position of these smartwatches. 97, 94, still 94, and we have still don't have a result. Previously we have 98% and we have 98%. Okay, so seems like we have a good blood pressure or blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so we are going back to the heart rate. Heart rate and heart rate. So change position just to make sure. We have 87 here. Measuring, we have 79. And it's off again. We have 83, 84 as you can see here. But we have, okay, 108. for the P73. Okay, so it's a miss for the P73. Colmi P73 when it comes to the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so that's it for our health monitoring function. Okay, comparing it with the Apple Watch, comparing with the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, and as you can see, it's a miss for our heart rates. Sadly, we have a disappointing result. Okay, so that's it for our health monitoring function for our Colmi P73 smartwatch. I don't know if mine is busted or maybe there's a problem with a heart rate sensor. Okay, that's it so far. So if you have any questions regarding the P73 health monitoring function, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.